that sucks. Let's try. Ugh. I'll take it. I'll take it. Go That Far rhythm chart is the hardest chart in the entire guitar. Prank that Soldier Boy. Soldier Boy, tell them. Closer is impossible. Fuck that. My fault, original gangster. I did not know you were educated like that. Oh God, Jeffers. I forgot about that. How many hours do you have in Guitar and Rock Band? At least like 3. The singer died in a car accident. What's up, Jeanette? Rest in peace, my boy. What's up, Jordan? I'm him! If anybody else claims to be him, they're wrong! They're wrong! They're wrong! They're fucking wrong! I'm him! I've always been him! I've always been him, bro! Suck my dick! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, holy fuck! Everyone gather around! Hey!
New Eyes gifted a tier 1 sub to Mike_CH.
Oh! My head hurts!